to the party yet?
I don't know. There they are. Are you trying to say something? I think they can't talk.
Yeah, I think that's it.
Hello in Booby Goopy Dooby Peeby the Sigma Ligma Man the 3, and I can see that your friend can't talk. The reason on why you lost your voices is because CapCut got rid of the cute boy voice, the energetic male. I honestly don't know why they decided to do this, but the only way to fix the problem is to give you a new voice. Hopefully they will bring your old voices back, but I honestly highly doubt about it because CapCut has been kind of... I just need to do some magic.
Yeah, I can talk and I have a new voice.
So this is my voice.
Sorry, you'll fix it.
There, that's better.
Robot, keep dancing. I'm almost done with the video.
I feel like I'm going to spontaneously combust.
Am I late, guys?